Hello, good morning, followers of Christ. So it's me, Brother Drix, again and again. Today is a day where we are going to go to work, and so yan, isang mapagpalang araw. For we believe that every time that you wake up, hallelujah, talagang napakabuti ni Lord sa bawat araw. Syempre, you keep on praying. So yun, keep on praying, always praying that whatever prayers will be granted. Then followers of Christ, keep on subscribing my channel, and you will be notified to what I am doing every day. So isang mapagpahalang araw sa iyo, at talagang may gagawin si Lord if you are being tested, or you are going to be passed for something, or you are exam, kung ikaw man ay mag-exam for your profession. So yun, call me so that we can pray for your near profession. If you are teacher or if you are a police, then we can pray for you. So God bless you, and shalom, shalom.